What's up, guys? Going to do a complete oil change on the Apollo Db-x14. Right before we get into that, quick shout out to both of them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. There's not much information online on how much to use. So me and my dad tested it, and it comes right out to 750, and that works perfect. We marked it on our So I'm going to show you how to do it and what we did. Okay, now we're going to fill it up. We use 10W40 AMSOIL dirt bike oil. Okay guys, now we're going to pour it in. We've already drained the oil, which is pretty simple. So you want to take your dipstick out. And then we got a cup with a funnel, so it makes it easier to fit it in there and pour it. And just in case of any spills, you always want to have a rag right there. And here we go. Okay guys, now we got the oil in, you always want to make sure you wipe around, and then you want to wipe off your dipstick. And now when it comes to checking your oil, we've seen a lot of videos where people stick it in and screw it. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure your O-ring's all the way on, and then you want to just make sure it goes in. And don't screw it. So as y'all can see, the oil checked low. So you want to make sure you stand your bike up when you check it. And then you just take it out, and it reads perfect. Okay guys, getting to the end. Now you just want to crank it up, make sure it runs good, and let it sit there.